Hi children, welcome to today's English class. Okay, I want you to turn to page number 23 in your English reader. Yeah, take Miss Polly poem. Have you all taken? Okay, let's do a reading practice once again. M-I-S-S Miss, P-O-L-L-Y Polly, H-A-D had, a, D-O-L-L-Y Dolly. Polly is the name of the girl and Dolly is the name of the doll. Who was, WHO who, WAS was, SICK sick, sick, sick. Sick means not feeling well. Okay. If you have a fever, you call it as sick. Next, SO so, SHE she, CALLED called. FOR for the doctor. DOCTOR doctor. So how did she call the doctor? She used her phone to call the doctor. TO2 COME calm, QUICK quick, quick, quick. That means fast. Okay. Next line. THE the, DOCTOR doctor, CAME came. The doctor came. WITH with, HER her, BAG bag, and HER her, HAT hat. The doctor came with her bag and her hat. Okay. And SHE she, KNOCKED knocked, on, THE the, DOOR door. And you know, knocking is you just make a sound to gain their attention, okay, with a rat-a-tat-tat. Okay, so this is the sound made when knocking the door like this. You got it? Okay, next. She, LOOKED, looked at the dolly. So who's looking at the dolly now? The doctor. Then she shook her head. Okay, THE and then SHE she, SHOOK shook, HER her, HEAD head. Okay, I've explained shook is a yesterday verb for shake. Okay, just moving your head from right to left or left to right. Okay. Next sentence, and SHE she, SAID said, Miss Polly put her STRAIGHT straight to bed. Okay, so that the doctor can examine the dolly. Got it? Okay, now I want you to turn to page number 24, children. Please do a reading practice. Please go to exercise B, that is READ, read aloud with your teacher. So first set of words is with OO. Okay, this OO gives both short and long sounds. Okay, here the words given are only short sounds. Let's learn to read them. Okay, first one is BOOK, book. You all know what's a book. Next is HOOK, hook. Okay, and these are different types of hooks. Next is LOOK, look. You look at someone. Next, NOOK, nook. NOOK is nook. It's a corner of a room. TOOK, took. It's a yesterday word for take. That means you have taken already. The action is completed. I took this book. Got it? Let's go for the next set of words. Here OA is two set of vowels. Okay, but when pronouncing they make one sound. That is the first vowel sound. Okay, OA gives only O sound. Let's go for the first word. COAL, coal. Okay. Okay, this is the picture of coal. You might have seen this in ironing shops, right? Okay. Next one is FOAL. Foal is a young one of a horse. So you can see the picture of foal here. Next is FOAM. Foam. This is the picture of foam and it's used in pets, there is one more meaning for foam. Let me show you. The lather you get when you use soap is also called foam. Okay, children, you have two meanings for foam. Okay, next is GOAT, goat. You all know what's a goat. Next, ROAD, road. Next is EA words. The same rule applies here. You have two set of vowels, but they join together and make one sound. That is the first letter sound. Okay, here the first letter is E, so they take only the E sound. BEAD is bead. Okay, let me show you the picture. This is the picture of beads, and you can make chains, right? Okay, and there is difference between BED, bed, and BEAD, bead. Okay, make sure that you pronounce it correctly. BEAD is bead, then that we use to make chains. Next is BEAT, bead. You all know very well about this. Next, CREAM, cream, ice cream. Okay, it's pronounced as cream. Next, NEAT, neat. SEAT, seat. Got it, children? Okay. Let's go for next exercise. Match the names of people with their things. Okay. So first, let us read the words. DOCTOR. It's doctor. GARDENER. Gardener, who takes care of the garden. TAILOR. Tailor, who stitch clothes. Next, PAINTER. Painter, who paints. Next, FARMER, it's farmer. Let's see the things. First one is a water can. Second picture is a paintbrush. Third one is a stethoscope. Next one is a hoe. Next one is a tailoring machine or a sewing machine. Okay, let's see. Shower can is used by a gardener, isn't it? Next, paintbrush will be used by a tailor, painter, farmer. Paintbrush will be used by a painter. Next, stethoscope will be used by a doctor. Next, hoe will be used by a farmer. Have you seen this? Yeah, your parents might be using this, right? Okay, next. Next is a sewing machine will be used by a tailor to stitch clothes. Got it, children? Okay, please complete this exercise and do reading practice in exercise B also. Let me read the new words and question answers for Miss Polly so that you can copy them in your classwork and learn the spellings. New words: SICK, sick. QUICK, quick. DOCTOR, doctor. BAG, bag. HAT, hat. KNOCKED is pronounced as knocked. Okay. Next, LOOKED, looked. SHOOK, shook. Yesterday word for shake. HEAD, head. STRAIGHT is straight. You have to learn the spellings of these words. Okay. Next is question and answers. WHAT, what did Miss Polly have? Okay. Miss Polly had a doll named Dolly. Second question, who did Miss Polly call for? The answer is Miss Polly called for a doctor. Third question, what did the doctor come with? Answer is the doctor came with her bag and hat. Okay. Please copy this in your classwork and learn them. Okay. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day.